Want to avoid getting totally ripped off by those slick salespeople pretending to be HVAC or home repair pros? Alright, so first up, always double check who you're dealing with before signing anything. Like, ask for real credentials, not just some fancy badge they flash around. Next, get at least 3 quotes from different contractors so you can compare prices and services without feeling like you're being hustled. When someone shows up right after a storm, be super cautious because they might be storm chasers looking to cash in quick. Don't let anyone pressure you into signing on the spot. Take your time to read all the fine print and ask questions. Also, if they offer to help with insurance claims, that's a red flag. Your insurance adjuster should be your go-to for that. Check online reviews and ask friends or neighbors for recommendations to find legit pros who don't just talk a big game. If something sounds too good to be true, like crazy low prices or huge discounts, it probably is trust your gut. Lastly, keep receipts and document everything from the start to protect yourself if things go south. One of the biggest mistakes people make is trusting door-to-door salespeople right after a storm, because they often use high-pressure tactics to get your money fast. Fix this by refusing on-the-spot offers and researching first. Another common issue is not verifying the contractor's license and insurance, which can lead to shoddy work or legal headaches. Always ask for proof before hiring anyone. The third problem is skipping written contracts or agreeing to vague terms, which leaves you exposed if the work isn't done right. Always insist on a detailed written agreement that spells out the scope, price, and timeline clearly. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the hassle of dealing with pushy salespeople. It also helps contractors connect with real clients looking for honest, quality work so everyone wins.